guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix empty response error no data on your Google Chrome browser, as you can see guys in my screen. So finally I have got the easy and simple solutions to fix this issue. So let's get started. So when you're facing this type of problem, so first you need to check your internet connection. If the internet connection is not good, at that time you can definitely 100% face this kind of error messages on your browser. So in case your internet connection is working fine, now you need to try the next method. Now you need to reload your website 4 to 5 times continuously. Hopefully this method will help you to fix your issue. Still, in case you're facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Click on three dots. Now from here go to the settings. In the settings, from the left panel you can get the privacy and security option. Just click and open it. Go to clear browsing data, select the time range all time and select and check this all boxes like this, and then click on clear data. After doing this guys, close these settings and close your browser and open it once again. After doing this guys, check your issue was solved or not. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to browse your websites on the incognito mode. To enable the incognito mode, just click on three dots and here you can get the option new incognito window. Just select this and try to browse your websites here. Hopefully this method will help you to fix your issue. Still, in case you're facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now if you're using any third-party VPN on your browser, just you need to temporarily disable it. Or if you are using any third-party extensions on your browser, now you need to uninstall it from your browser. Just click on three dot, go to extension, click on manage extension. From here you can get the option to disable or uninstall. So if you don't want to uninstall, just disable it temporarily like this, okay, and then try to browse. Hopefully this method will help you to fix your issue. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Once again, click on three dots, go to help, go to about Google Chrome. From here you need to update your browser, okay. After updating, it will fix your issue. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Once again, click on three dots, go to settings. In the settings, from the left panel here you can get the option privacy and security option like this, and in the right panel scroll down and extend the security option, okay, and here scroll down and select DNS provider, extend this and select another DNS provider like Google or OpenDNS. Just rechange this option, rechange the DNS server and check your issue will solve or not. Still, in case you're facing same type of problem, so last and final solution is this guys. Now you need to reset your browser. To reset your browser, in the left panel you can get the option reset settings. Just click on it and then click on restore settings to their original default. Afterwards guys, it will fix your issue. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix the empty response error on the Google Chrome browser on your Windows PC. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Please comment down below which option, which method was work with you. If you enjoy this video, please don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.